surprisingly good on the way up. Sounds like B.
For safe shot. Everything fails, no one gets hurt. Jesse, please warm up your machine. Tell me when you're in the red.
We'll never have this again.
I'm in the red. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Fire. Everyone hold your position. Jesse, let's wait for the dust to clear and then we'll get in for our all clear. 4. Nice job, Tom. Nice job. Beautiful shot. You too. You and Jesse both.
Good job, guys.
Mike.
A lot of good on top of some.
Do you mean the Jesse from Demco or me? Both of you. Jesse McQueen, shot time 9:40. 10-4.
Well, was it worth the price of admission?
It was great, great show.
Tom down, I'm starting my walk in. 10-4. Hey Jesse, how does the road look? Road looks clear. Am I clear to open the road? Yes, you are clear to open the road. 10-4.
You can smell that soot, can't you?
CDI, let's keep the cameras rolling for some afters. I picked up mine already back there, Tom. I mean, you can't see the silo anymore.
There goes the drone. He survived.
Top down, all clear, all clear. 10-4. Mike, you copy that on the hill? We are all clear.
Thank you very much. Good job, guys.
Thank you, sir. Fire department down here at my end, they're saying they need to keep the road closed for 15 more minutes.
Probably for the cloud. What a good situation. Somebody's in the
Can you imagine? Did you get good pictures?
I think so.
Please.
Got a really good. I'd have to put it through an
People walk
animation
across the street, start
program.
checking properties there.
So can I get you to send me your pictures? Oh, those are great.